Hey guys, welcome to another California Relic Adventure. Mark and I got invited out to a site by Ray and his son, RJ. So we're hiking out there. Can't show you too much in the background. Don't want to give Ray's sight away, but he invited us out, so we're going to go check it out. They've dug some really nice stuff out here, so hopefully we get across something good. All right, Ray just walked up. Got a little tiny Chinese coin. Probably the smallest one either one of us has ever seen, so pretty good period find. Got a decent 1239, 1240 right here. Probably about 3 or 4 inches deep, so thought I'd just, there it is right there, I think. No, yep, there it is right there. Popped out right out on top. Nice toe tap. All right, RJ just walked up. So got his first lock. It's an old one. Got the key cover hole on there and everything, so that's all intact. That'll clean up real nice.
Oh hell yeah, dude! That's
a really
shit.
Nice lock
sorry.
right there. All right, here comes RJ.
Oh fuck yeah, little bastard!
Right over here, man. Nice, dude. Frick yeah, dude. That's one of those big ones too. Is it a 2-piece? No.
Oh, dude, that's baddish.
Dude, nice. Stamped brass. Big eagle. Dude, that's a nice one too.
You have to turn this.
Right on, man.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
See, that scared the I wasn't.
It would have had bone or
Yeah,
something.
RJ just showed us
Or
this.
glass. Oh yeah, by the way,
It's like an opium pipe. It's kick ass. Dude, that is awesome. We've been all through Chinese sites. Dude, that's the first one I've seen dug.
Really?
That is awesome.
Freaking awesome. I've only seen pictures of that. I've never
Dude,
seen
you got
one
a couple
real.
great finds today.
That's
fantastic.
No, oh yeah, I also found it.
Okay, heading over to Mark. He says he's got a nice coin signal. So,
It's over here, it's out of the hole.
it's out of the hole. Oh, dude. Holy crap, dude.
I don't know what it is.
It's big.
Let me get a brush out.
Dude, that is
Bigger, huh?
that's a seated half, dude.
Is it?
A frickin' seated half. Are you kidding me?
You can see it, huh?
Yeah, I see the eagle and I flip it over. I can see her sitting there.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Nice.
Wow. Look at that, it's coming out now. I mean, people are probably freaking out we're brushing this, but it's a dug coin, you know what I'm saying?
That coin, it's got environmental damage and it's
And it's a soft brush, so I mean, it is what it is. But anyway, just so you guys can see it, I mean, more than anything.
1861. 1861
Silver.
seated half dollar, dude. S. 1861 S.
Right on.
Dude.
Nice
Frickin'
condition too. Look at
fantastic.
that. Beautiful shape.
Dang. Nice. Congrats.
Awesome.